The Delhi Assembly, where Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party holds all but 3 seats today, endorsed his bid to challenge the centre's allocation of vast powers to Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung at his expense. The centre, on the other hand, has now moved the turf war to the Supreme Court.
केंद्र की सरकार, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ये चाहती है कि हम ऐसे व्यक्तियों को राज्यपाल बनाएं कि चुन चुन के हमारे जो विरोधी पार्टियों के मुख्यमंत्री हैं उनकी जिंदगी हराम कर दी जाए। तो उपराज्यपाल के जरिए दिल्ली की सरकार को ठप करने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
Amidst fiery speeches, an opposition walkout and high drama, the Delhi Assembly passing a resolution to condemn the Home Ministry's notification which said the right to appoint or suspend officers lay solely with the Lieutenant Governor. As the 2-day special session of the Delhi Assembly came to an end, the resolution calling for the withdrawal of the notification was passed with a further pledge to reach out to all chief ministers of non-BJP ruled states.
Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, has been trying to victimize chief ministers of other parties. They are all victims of the same dictatorship by a same person, by the same central government.
But the turf war is far from over, as the Home Ministry in turn prepares to approach the Supreme Court against a High Court order which called its notification suspect. The Home Ministry says the High Court couldn't have passed an order on the notification without hearing the Ministry's side. The High Court's order was reserved on the 20th of May. The notification was issued on the 21st. The order couldn't have taken into account the notification since the court had reserved its judgment. And that Article 239AA of the Constitution makes it clear that it is the President's representative, the LG, who is responsible for public order, land and police. The state has no role to play. Also that the centre is responsible for cadre management of civil service officers.
The Delhi Assembly has passed the notification, but with the centre moving to Supreme Court, the turf war over Delhi is still on. But most importantly, Arvind Kejriwal is now trying to galvanize political support against Narendra Modi-led central government, for which he will now be writing to all non-BJP chief ministers, telling them how the centre is trying to destroy the federal structure of the country. In New Delhi with camera person Yogesh Kumar, I am Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.